All right, so today what we're gonna take a look at is all of these glorious accessories. Well, we really don't know if they're glorious yet. I have not opened them yet. You all know Glorious has recently released their Gmmk Pro. Absolutely awesome keyboard right here. I totally love it. But again, they also offer tons of accessories, from lubes to cases to wrist rests and stuff. And that's what we're gonna take a look at today. We're gonna see if they are actually glorious, if they are worth the price. So again, I have not even opened these. I'm doing them right with you guys. I'm really not a big fan of like unboxing videos, but I was kind of thinking like, how do you review a cleaning kit or something, you know what I mean? So anyways, let's get our station set up here. I'm gonna pull out my MacBook, and we're actually gonna pull up, there we go, we already got them pulled up right there. We're gonna pull up Glorious as well, and as we open each one, we're gonna look at the price, and we'll talk about it. Hey, does it look like it's worth it? Does it look like you know, it's a quality product? So where's my shank here? So what are we gonna start with? How are we gonna review lube? Keep a clean mind here. Come on, don't make this dirty, right? So let's go on and start with what we have here. A Glorious cleaning kit. So it looks like we got a cloth, a blower, and a brush. Anyways, let's go on and slice this open. You know, before we even open it, what we should do, hold on, I'm gonna go over here to, I guess we'll go to accessories. Is that where this stuff would be? I don't even know where it would be on their website. So they got cables, they got the cases. Oh, they got a lube brush. They didn't send me a lube brush. Come on, Glorious. Send everyone else everything, and I get the seconds here. We know why that is. Oh, here it is. Okay, so $9.99. Cleaning kit is $9.99. Let's go on and slop this open here. Let's see what we have. So it's a cloth. It's not lightweight or cheap by any means. I guess it's a nice cloth. Whatever. Pop this open. We got a oh, that's nice. I'm gonna have to hold on to this. And then a brush. Like I don't know. $9.99, like a cleaning, like what is this for? Like, should I go over here and clean and then dust out my, I don't know. Whatever. Go on Amazon and you'll probably find one of these for $3. You know what I mean? So first, cleaning kit, absolute bust. Let's go to number 2. And again, I don't even know how to review this or talk about this. You know, lube. I don't get it here. Let's pop it open and see if it's a full case at least. How much is the lube? Let's see. I'm gonna have a mess to clean up afterwards. So how much is this thing to lube? $10. So I have bought G205 Krytox or whatever off Amazon before, and it's not cheap. It's definitely not cheap. So I guess this would be is it the same? Premium greasy stuff for extra slippery switches, they call it. Jeez, come on. They got this sucker sealed up. I guess that's nice, because then I guess you always have some fresh lube, right? All right, so let's see if it's full at least. That'd be my concern. Well, it's all shifted around. So as you can see, I don't know, can you guys see too much light? It's all shifted. So as you can see, it's all, let me see if I can shift it back. So, I don't know, $10 for a stinking. Let's even this out. Let's see. Okay, so we even it out there. So it's not totally full. It's right to the edge of the casing, as you can see right here. I don't know. Is that a good deal? Is it good lube? Give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm just kidding. I mean, come on. We had to, guys. We had to, right? So anyways, $10 for lube. I forget how much I paid for it on Amazon, but that seems about right there. So now I got it all over my stinking table. Okay, so $10 for lube, whatever. Now what do we got here? Glorious switch opener. And how much is this? $10. So it seems like, geez, we're on a $10 run here, huh? Everything's $10. So I do have some of my switch openers over here too, just to give us a comparison. Okay, so this looks chintzy. Yeah. All right, so we press, oh wow, instant, yeah. So pretty easy. I mean, definitely not hard. I mean, it's cool because the bottom, it won't get stuck. You can just pop your switch out right there, because as you can see, it's just hollow. We'll try another one here. Bam, instant. Yeah, so it works great. Again, you got both sides for multiple styles of switches there. Dang, I ruined my switch trying to just snap them up here. So anyways, it does the job. It sure does. It feels incredibly, like it just feels chintzy, like it gets the job done. So let me show you guys this here. I have two other of my switch openers. As you can see here, let's get it over here in the camera. It's fully metal, right? Very solid. Now this one is the one I really like, and this is what I use if I use an opener, and it just boop, pops open, and you have both styles right there for both switches. And I love it because it's small, it's magnetized, it's metal. It's like, I mean, this sucker is solid. Like nothing's gonna happen. I think over time, I really think this one will give way and your edges will just dole out and stuff. It's good. I'd like to see this at like $4.99. Glorious, and you know you're making a wicked markup on this stinking thing. $4.99, and we got a complete win right here. These guys, this one's, I believe, 10 bucks. This one over here is about 15 to 20 bucks. So I'd say get either of those before this. Glorious, and you know you can mark this down to 5 bucks without hurting yourselves. So that's what I like to call a greed catch right there. Anyways, let's want to slide this stuff over. Let's look at this. What is this? Glorious Keycap Puller. How much is this here? Ergonomic Keycap Puller. Is that what this is? Guess what price it is. Guess how much this is, guys. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. That's right. 10 bucks. Right? 10 bucks. Glorious Ergonomic Keycap Puller. Okay, so I like how big that is. Let's see how firm the wires are. Oh, nice. Very nice and firm. Most switch keycap pullers that I have, the wires are really just like loose, and they really don't grip on after a while, after a few keycap switches, and it's nice because you got different multiple grips right there. I like this. I do. I wish the handle was metal. Is that me just being nitpicky? I don't know, but I really got to loosen these up a pinch. I really like this right here because, again, it's so firm. And that's because it's shorter than most. Some of them are really long. So, again, you got all that give. These guys are a little bit firmer. I like this. I do like this. 10 bucks seems a little bit steep, but again, I like the product. So I think if you buy it for 10 bucks, I think you'll be happy with your purchase. Can you get one cheaper? Yes. But again, I do like it. All right, so next up, Glorious Goat Stabilizers. Now, I looked at these because I wanted to use these for another keyboard build because they had them right here, and I figured they'd be easy to get, and that'd be pretty sweet, you know? But on their website here, I don't see them. I don't see them for sale. Maybe am I missing them? I'm not too sure. You know what, we're gonna, should we just say they're 10 bucks? I don't know. I think the stabs would be a little bit more, maybe like 20 bucks. I really like them on the board. I really do. Oh, so they come in pieces. Like, look at that. Can we catch that in the camera? So you got your screws, your spacers, or your washers, then your stabs, and oh geez, they're all apart. So I've ordered stabilizers from other companies before, and they usually come together. Oh, they're good. So yeah, look, you have like everything. This is like a stinking Lego set right here. So that's cool. I like them. I can't recommend. I got to see what the price is. I don't know what the price is, but I do like the stabilizers on the board. I will use these again. I'd probably like to say 10 bucks. Not 10 bucks. I'm so hooked on 10 bucks. 20 bucks. I think these should be 20 bucks, but again, I don't see them on here, so I don't know. I like them though. We'll have to see what the price is. The Glorious Wooden Wrist Rest. This fits a 10 keyless, so it's going to be this one. Now, I know the wrist rests are in different category here. So what is this? The Glorious Wooden. Do they have different? Oh, so they have two different. They got black, and then they got like a cherry wood here. Now this I've been wanting to try for a while because they've sold this for a long time, not just with this recent release. How much is this? What do we? I don't even know what color we have. Black. Okay, cool. So the Onyx. Full size is 29. 10 keyless is 29. Compact is 29. So no matter what size your wood is, it's going to be 29 bucks. Come on, guys. Come on. So what are you getting? You get a sticker as well? Oh, see, it leaves a lot of fingerprints already, I can tell you that. A couple fingerprints. So you got some wire routers right down here. That's cool. And these are soft. Does it move? It's not grippy. But I think if you got on like a desk mat or something like that, I don't think it's going to move. but I do see some smudges on already just by me taking it out. Let me see this. Let's get all this out of the way. So say if you got the Gmmk, so it's a little bit bigger. Can we see that in camera? It's a little bit bigger than the Gmmk, which is, I guess it's fine. Like me, I move my wrist rest over usually. So it's nice. You got a little room to play with. I'd honestly rather it bigger than smaller, because you know when it's smaller, your wrist kind of, or your palm just starts going off the side. I like how this is a little bit bigger, so you got plenty of leeway right here. I like this. 29 bucks is heavy for a wrist rest. 29 bucks is heavy. If you're going for that aesthetic of like all wood or something, maybe. I don't know. I don't use wrist rests. I like the product right there. 29 bucks is heavy. That's got to be like a personal preference thing. Like if you're really looking for that, then hey, you have it there. Let's go with, let's check out this Lube Station, I guess. This has me really excited right here. I'm sure this costs more than 10 bucks. So let's go back. So $35. Organizer switch modding with premium lubricant station. Okay. 35 bucks. Now I have bought a Lube Station before, and I think it was close to 30 bucks. And just by looking at the pictures of this, it was nothing on par with what this looks like, at least. Again, I haven't taken this out. This is straight up with you guys. So, okay, so they got little, oh, it's wrapped nice, guys. Look at this. All right, so we have foam up there. Wow, really nice. Okay, I'm liking this. You got some rubber feet right here for the bottom. I am liking it. This is making me nerdy right here. And I don't lube switches much, you know. Okay, yeah. Straight up, this gets a win. Check out that packaging, by the way. You know, let's put these feet on right here. And while I'm putting these feet on, I want to ask you guys a question. You might have noticed it in some of my, by the way, they got little circles on the bottom here that let you know where to put the feet. I love that. I want to ask you guys an honest question here. I've been changing up the way I do my videos. I've been removing B-roll and all sorts of stuff like that. You know, just kind of being straight up with you guys. I got my top-down camera, as you're seeing right here. And then me, just so I'm constantly live. I don't cut. I try to make my videos go straight through without all these cuts where it's like, you know, you watch them, it's kind of like, and then bam, goes right to the next thing. I wanted to be straight with you guys, so it's kind of, y'all know I don't script. So I just want my videos to bring another element of realness to it, where I'm just with you guys and, you know, just straight up, straight through. Anyways, let me know what you guys think right there. Would you rather me shut up and just get to the point, or do you like being straight right here? You know, I really like this. So anyways, we got our feet on there. So you can see it's like clear and then black and black right there. I don't think they offer other colors of this. That would be really cool, Glorious, if you offer other colors. But black straight up, you know what it's supposed to be. Okay. Cool. I like this. So on the back of the box, it's saying switch puller. We put up our switch puller. Let's get that thing back out. Switch puller, they say. No. Okay, this is keycap puller. Okay, my bad, my bad. That's switch puller. They did not send me switch puller. And I guess these are just to like brace things, put things for brushes. Well, no, they don't have a G-lube. So this is for your lube. Lube brush. Lube vial. What the heck? Then brushes and tweezers. Okay. Switch opener goes right there. That little piece of junky thing. This thing's really got to be $5. Okay, so that goes there. And then you got spots for brushes, little tweezers, and your puller there. So let's go on and get a switch. I want to see something. So I'm sure we open our switch first here. You know, I think I had one that was already open. Let me not ruin another switch. Hold on, hold on. Okay, so we have the switch that's open. So I guess we put this in here, and it just sits there. Is that the right way? Yeah, so then it just sits in there, like so. Where's my spring go? Down here? There's my spring. Where's the top housing go? I guess we don't do anything with the top housing, right? So we don't need that. And then our stem. Okay. So bottom housing, spring, stem. So don't you, I bag lube my springs whenever I lube. This seems kind of pointless. Like that spring goes all the way in there. So I guess if you lube your spring, help me out in the comments. What's the point of this spring holder? Just so you don't lose it? I bag lube my springs. I know some people brush them, but this is like, there's really no benefit to this because the spring's like, I doubt the camera can even see it, but it's like all the way in there almost. I like this. I like that. So you can brush that. Seems pretty good. I love this thing. I really like it. I love it. Like if you just got a station sitting there, bam, you set it. Again, that spring thing, I don't get it. Please help me out in the comments and just try to figure out, is that something? But I really like this. It's quality. Like you feel the quality within this, guys. I think it's 35 bucks worth. I do. I give this one a complete win. I'm going to use this. I hope they make new colors too. Like I'd like a white one. I love this. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use that. Actually got a video coming up with the Gmmk that I'm going to use that with. All right. So last up right here, we have the glorious keyboard case compatible with Gmmk Pro. Let's go on and get our price real quick before we dive into this. Will that be under keyboard? Accessories, I'm guessing. Modding tools, wrist rest, extras, switches, case. 25 bucks. All right. Not bad. 25 bucks, so it's black. Oh, no seal on this guy. Okay. So there we go. That's it in our box. Oh, it feels very quality, I'll tell you that, just straight up. A couple threads. So, I mean, you can hear that. It's solid. The handle's tight, but I mean, like I said, it's gonna work for you. Glorious branding right up there. Big metal zippers. They're big zippers too, so it doesn't feel like it'll go off track or anything. I like that. All right, so you got that glorious color inside. The straps to, so you got Velcro on both sides. What is this for? Oh, this is just to pull it out. Okay. Glorious brand. Now, it's not soft in here. You do got a little air, little space, but it's hard inside there. It's not like, it's not smushy foam or anything like that. Feels like open space, but I think it'd be plenty protected. Let's see. So put our board in there. Oh, Jimmy, come on. Oh, it's in there tight. So this is seriously for the Gmmk Pro, because like when I just push that in there, like it is snug. I see why they have that handle now. You almost got to like pry it out of there. You can strap it down. And I think, yeah, you got enough space if you got switches and caps on it. Little pocket up here for your goodies. Fold that in. Zipper up. And I guess you're, I don't know. Do you put your keyboard in a case? I've have a couple cases and they're all pretty much just like this. I guess this is like the standard out there for keyboard cases, you know. It's quality. This is great. If you put your keyboards in cases, this does it. I don't put my keyboards in cases, but 25 bucks, totally cool. If you're looking for a case, this takes a win. Glorious branding up there. That's your call if that's something you like. You know, but again, I really think it's built for the Gmmk Pro because, again, how it fits in there perfectly with those creases. All right, so that's all I really want to do. I just wanted to, like, unbox and go over this stuff and talk about it. Again, I don't know how you review a Lube Station or, you know, again, a tube of lube. So, again, I kind of want to just unbox it, look at the prices, look at the quality, and get straight up with you guys. Do I feel like it's worth it? I feel like we got a lot of wins right here. Goofy stuff, again, that switch separator pull or whatever. You all know I love the Gmmk Pro. I got another video coming up soon on that one. Subscribe, hit the bell, because it's going to be a fun one. I like the switch puller, so I think we got more wins than not, you know. I'd like to see the stabilizers on the website. That's one thing I would really like. I'd like to see this guy less, cost a little bit less. And don't forget, you can also buy the little panda toy right here. So all in all, I think we got some awesome products here, some iffy products, some personal preference products. Hey, I like them though, and again, it's really cool to have these options readily available for you to dabble into this hobby. So all in all, I give it a win. But I hope I was able to help you out if you're looking at any of these products or heck, looking into a new keyboard, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for future tech videos. Hey, I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye now.